Is Muddy Mat a scam, or is it the real deal for pet owners? Let's cut through the noise and get straight to the facts before you spend your money. First off, Muddy Mat is a legit company. You'll find them on Amazon and Walmart, not just some sketchy shop on social media. But here's where it gets tricky. A lot of those it's a scam. Complaints? They're actually about fake knockoffs, not the real Muddy Mat. So, if the mat you're looking at doesn't have a branded tag on the back, or if you're not buying from the official website or their real Amazon store, you're probably looking at an imitation. Now, let's talk about what you actually get. The real Muddy Mat uses high-density chenille fibers, which means it can soak up to 5 times its weight in water. That's a game changer if your dog loves mud as much as mine does. The non-slip rubber backing helps it stay put, even on tile or hardwood. And yes, it's machine washable, but here's a heads up. Some pet parents say that after a few washes, especially on high heat, the backing can start to rip. So, air dry when you can, or stick to a low heat setting to make it last. Does it work? For everyday paw prints, absolutely. But if your dog just did a full body slide through a mud puddle, you'll still need to grab a towel. One thing to watch for? Shipping can be slow, sometimes weeks without updates. And if you need to contact customer service, be patient. They're not exactly speedy. Always check the return policy, and if there's an issue, start your claim right away. Bottom line, Muddy Mat isn't a scam, but you've got to buy smart and manage your expectations. Got the real deal? It can definitely help keep your floors cleaner. Happy paws, happy home.